Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 9687.
The two agendas were discussed, but they were deferred because some more discussion has to be taken place. But the one agenda that was taken up was regarding the approval of the cabinet for the construction of a medical skill Hunar Hub in West Garo Hills district. This is a project that was initiated in 2020, and the idea was to have a medical skill for paramedical staff. A large-scale skill center would be set up in West Garo Hills district, and the reason West Garo Hills was selected was because the Minority Affairs, which is funding this particular Hunar Hub, only West Garo Hills was the eligible district to get funds under Minority Affairs that time. From 2022, of course, that has changed, and now all districts can get funds for Minority Affairs. So for this particular project, which was initiated in 2020, we had proposed 282 crores for this, but after certain adjustments and certain changes that were made in the proposal, the Government of India, Minority Affairs, has sanctioned 151 crores for this, 151.95. And out of this, 90-10 is the ratio. So 10% will be borne by the Government of Meghalaya, and rest 130 plus 35 crores will be given by Government of India. The project will come up in West Garo Hills district in Babadam area, which falls under North Tura constituency, and this will have a space for almost 2,500 students and different hostel facilities. It will have a pharmaceutical college, a nursing college, paramedical college, and one skill development center. And there will be large number of hostels for all the students who are studying. And this will in one way become one of the larger skill centers for medical skill in the entire Northeast. The funds for this also, the initial installment has been released, and this has been given. The work for this will be done through a PSU, which is EPI, Engineering Project India Limited, which is a public sector undertaking. And this undertaking also was, this PSU also was selected after a bidding process, and other PSUs were also had also submitted their bids. And out of the 3 bids, the L1 was EPI, which is Engineering Projects Limited, and they have been asked to execute the work. So that is the decision that was taken today by the cabinet.